in, some big breaking updates coming in from the all-party meeting. Now, the Prime Minister has given out a big statement. The Prime Minister says that no one has entered into the Indian territory. He has also gone on to state that soldiers who were martyred fought and taught the enemy a lesson before laying down their life. India had improved its capacity of patrolling at LAC. The Indian infrastructure improved at LAC in the last few years. Earlier, the Chinese won't be stopped. In fact, now they have been stopped and obstructed from free movement everywhere. So a big statement coming in from the Prime Minister himself, who has made it clear that no one has entered into the Indian territory, and our soldiers who have been martyred taught the enemy a lesson before laying down their lives for the nation. In fact, the Prime Minister also went on to state that India has improved its capacity of patrolling as well at the LAC. Let's go across to my colleague Tejinder, who's also joining us. All right, we'll try to go back to Niranjan shortly, but a big statement coming in from the Prime Minister himself, that the Prime Minister has said that no one has entered in our Indian territory. Let's go across to my colleague Niranjan, who's also joining us over the phone line. So Niranjan, a big statement and a clear statement coming in from the Prime Minister, who has stated that no one has entered in the Indian territory.
Well, it's a very significant statement coming in from the Prime Minister that, no one is in Indian territory. He says categorically in the all-party meeting that soldiers who were martyred taught the enemy a lesson before laying down their life. The Prime Minister, a few days back, the first statement that he made before addressing the Chief Minister, also had said that the soldiers who had laid down their lives had done so after fighting the Chinese hard. Mar ke were the words that he used, where he said that they had taught the enemy a lesson before laying down their lives. In fact, we're getting in more pointers of what the Prime Minister says. He has also made it clear to all parties who were at that meeting that India has improved its capacity of patrolling in the line of actual control, adding that India has ramped up its infrastructure, especially in the last few years at the line of actual control which India shares with China. Adding that earlier, in fact, he's also made a mention of how things used to be dealt with earlier, that the Chinese wouldn't be stopped in their tracks at the line of actual control, but now our soldiers have ensured that they are stopped and obstructed from free movement. That is, Chinese can't really have a free pass at the line of actual control. He says now they are stopped, obstructed from free movement everywhere, adding that nobody can take a single inch of India's territory. Now, these are the big breaking news updates that we're getting in from the all-party.
Absolutely, Ranjan. In fact, this is a big statement coming in from the Prime Minister himself after he saw how the Congress has time and again raised these questions about how the Chinese might have entered our territory, but the Prime Minister making it clear that no one has entered our Indian territory. He has also stated that India has improved its capacity of patrolling at the LAC. So in a way, referring to the fact that in the past, the China in a way had a free will of coming in and out of the territory, but now they have been obstructed. The free movement has been obstructed by India now.
Points of what the Prime Minister has said in his address. He says, now we're getting in pointers, and I'm just going to read out. The Prime Minister has said, ना वहाँ कोई हमारी सीमा से में घुसा हुआ है, ना ही हमारी कोई पोस्ट किसी दूसरे के कब्जे में है. He also says about how लद्दाख में हमारे 20 शहीद हुए, लेकिन जिन्होंने भारत माता की तरफ आंख उठाकर देखा था, उन्हें वो सबक सिखा कर गए. So he's talking about how nobody has entered India. Look at the words he's used. ना वहाँ कोई हमारी सीमा से घुसा हुआ है, ना ही हमारा कोई पोस्ट किसी दूसरे के कब्जे में है. He's saying clearly that none of our territory
in
is
fact,
in the hands of China. Yeah.
Absolutely, Niranjan. In fact, stay with us. We also have our Executive Editor Abhishek Kapoor joining us over the phone line. So, Abhishek, a very big statement coming in from the Prime Minister himself. He has made it clear that no one has entered in our Indian territory. In fact, no one can take a single inch of our territory as well.
Well, Richa, Prime Minister has put the record straight from the beginning and till the status as of today, as we speak. He has said that there is nobody who has entered Indian territory or occupied any post of Indian army, and those 20 soldiers who martyred and sacrificed or made the supreme sacrifice of their life had inflicted a lesson on the enemy, and that no one can dare look upon Mother India and think in terms of snatching even an inch of land. He has explained in detail how the forces have been empowered, how Army, Navy, Air Force can now work in tandem with the newest of equipment and war machines, and that in the last few years, how the border infrastructure along the line of actual control has been strengthened to a level where while earlier the Chinese would be moving unobstructed and unencountered and without any, a counter from Indian side, now they are routinely stopped, obstructed and not allowed to patrol in areas which are Indian claims. So the Prime Minister has put to rest all doubt that was there in the minds of people as to whether the Chinese have made any inroads and taken up our posts or carried out any annexation of any territory of India. So I believe after opposition having spoken its mind and supported the government on every move that the government has taken on this Chinese crisis in the Ladakh sector over the last month and a half, the Prime Minister has put the record straight and in as many words said that whatever is happening at the LAC, now we come to know of it in advance because of satellite imagery. Our forces respond to them in real time, and that that nobody is allowed to roam freely without stopping them, without obstructing them, because our patrols are stronger, better, because of better border infrastructure.
Right. Absolutely, Abhishek. Thank you so much for getting us that update. In fact, the message has been clear from the Prime Minister himself that no one is in the Indian territory and no one can take away a single inch of our territory as well. We'll step into a short break now. After break, we'll come back with our editor-in-chief, Arnab Goswami, with the debate. Stay tuned.